Hey guys, what's going on? It's Equate to me, and I'm making this video to sort of show you some of my setup. As you can see, my room is extremely dirty. But anyway, this right here is my 32-inch Insignia flat screen TV. That's what I play on. Obviously, there's a lot of wires here. Okay, I like to, here's my my MLG legal controller, as in a wired controller. You always need to make sure that you have a wired there. And then also my Astro A40s here. Astro A40s, Tritons, they're all good. All good. Just make sure you get a Dolby surround sound. Dolby surround sound is 10 times better than a stereo surround sound. Anyway, the reason why I am I'm making this video is because I just got an awesome shipment in today, and it is from Newegg. Holla! I'm working on my PC build, and I just wanted to show you guys what all I got so far. I will let you know that I still need some parts, and so give me some time on that. Anyway, so first line of business, this right here is just a stupid little $18 CD DVD drive. Anyway, if you see right here, my high current 750 watt power supply. This right here, this is a Samsung solid state 128 gig. I'm just using this for Windows. I'm going to be getting a 1 terabyte hard drive as well to run most of my processes. This right here, my RAM, 16 gig of RAM there. And this right here, my Asus Sabertooth motherboard. This thing is a beast. Give me 1 second, let me open this up here. So check this out. Give you a look at that. And you can sort of tell by how big my hand is how huge this motherboard is. I love it. And then also, if you see back there, I got my half XM mid tower right there. Nice, you know, big huge fan in the front, big huge fan in the back, big huge fan on top. So Cool Master is awesome when it comes to the fans and keeping you know, everything cool in there. And this right here is the AMD 8-core processor, the Black Edition. So this monster right here is simply amazing. I still do need to get my graphic card, and then also that 1 terabyte hard drive, and then pay the nice people at Microsoft a whole bunch of money for Windows 7. I'm definitely not going to go with 8. But anyway, that's all I got, and I will definitely show you guys another video when I have it all set up.